One basic way to use Screencastify is to replace traditional lecture style presentations with just a slideshow that you narrate over. You can do this without an embedded webcam or with an embedded webcam. But one key difference is that you might want to try and keep it short and concise so that students aren't kind of zoning out during the presentation and that you get your material across as clear as possible.
Hi, everybody. We're going to go ahead and get started with looking at or delving into our animal husbandry unit. So what's really great about our taking a look at the development of an embryo of a chick, which I think
If your instructional video does need to be longer than about 5 to 10 minutes, which is kind of that bite-sized chunk, concise little lesson, then our suggestion is to break the lectures up into parts and have some sort of processing activity in between the videos. And so one way to do this is to host your lesson on a Google site. This is an example Google site for a teacher, and the instructions of the day's lesson are at the top. And then each of the different activities in the lesson are embedded in the site. And so you have the instructions with Screencastify. You might have another video with recorded slideshows as step one. You might have some sort of a podcast or video. You might have Newsela actually embedded into the website so they can do everything that you can do using Newsela just right into this page. They can do Padlet, Edpuzzle, a Google form, and again, breaking it up into those bite-sized chunks if it's a longer lesson. Another way to do this is similar to how we're doing our PD sessions is in a Google slide deck. And so you have each of the different prompts on a different slide, and you're breaking it up in kind of that module format where you have, a 5-minute video, a 10-minute video, and then your processing activity after that. So that helps engage students in a different way and gives them time to think about what you're saying in your lesson. You can also use Screencastify to only use your webcam and record demonstrations. This is a demonstration actually by a student for a science class.
Law, which states that pressure and temperature are directly related. So I'm going to put my safety goggles on, and I'm going to light these candles. Alright, now I'm going to put my beaker over the candles.
All right, and so you can see that she's using household materials and demonstrating a chemistry concept that she learned in class. And obviously teachers can do this as well.
The hub isn't the best place to learn chem, so Miss Curtin's class is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing poker. She talks fast, but we need her to slow. So come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, we'll get to gases. Now I rode my bike, it stopped, I couldn't go any further because my tire was flat. I'll explain it like, did you know if you decrease T, gay loose sex says that you also decrease P. Come on, now it's KMT. The KE decreases with the T. Say then the particles won't collide right up against the walls of the bike tire. Come on, now it's KMT. Come on, now it's KMT. I'm in love with the gas laws. K. Lucette, Charles and Boyle, relating P, T, and V. I'm in love with the gas.